School Heads Conference in Mombasa Road. They're still on education matters, though. Baringo Senator Gideon Moi this morning oversaw the groundbreaking ceremony of Moi International Center High School in Nairobi. The high school will start admitting Form 1s and Form 2s from January next year. Senator Moi lauded teachers' contribution in imparting knowledge and grooming the society. He also praised retired President Daniel Torotich's legacy in building and strengthening learning institutions. Gideon Moi has called on leaders to embrace servanthood spirit in their duty to deliver to all Kenyans.
The work of a teacher is very special. We all know where it begins. When he or she teaches in class, when he or she mentors a student, when he or she builds a school. But we will never know when this work comes to an end. For the good work of a teacher never ends. It expands like the ripples caused by a stone fallen on a lake. The ripples go outward in circles until they reach a shore. The impact of a good teacher is like these ripples in the sea of humanity and history. These ripples are eternal and everlasting. And I really want to thank the teachers of Moi Educational Center of making Moi Educational Center what it is today. And it's because of you have encouraged us to go now the extra mile to build the secondary school. I want to say thank you, thank you. Today, we break the grounds for a new complex. It is not just one more school. It is part of our important legacy. It is part of a big plan to educate Kenya. One day, this new school will celebrate today as an important anniversary. Perhaps 25, 50, 100 years down the line. None of us may be alive by then, but our legacy will still survive here. The next generations will marvel at our enthusiasm, generosity, effort, dedication in building these institutions. And I pray that history may judge us with mercy. And if we happen to be still in this world, they may ask us, how did you do it? We will answer paraphrasing the gospel. We are no more than mere servants. We have simply fulfilled our duty.